This Glowworm Ultracom 36i has lost pressure. You can see on the front display there it's flashing 00 bar, so we need to get that back up to above 1 bar. So let's show you how to do that. We have 2 taps underneath the boiler, here and here. They just need opening a quarter turn. So let's have a look at that. So the 2 taps are there and there, and they just need to be open a quarter turn. You can't turn them the wrong way, so you just open one at a time. This, by the way, is also the same for some of the Vaillant boilers, the EcoTec, the old EcoTec Pluses. So if you've got one of those, this may be relevant to you as well. So to re-pressurise, you open, first of all, one of the taps. So let's do that one on the left, a quarter turn. So that's now open. And then this one is from the mains water side, and it's going to allow water to run through the filling loop and into the heating system. When you turn this one, you'll see the pressure start to rise here. So we'll do that quite slowly so we don't accidentally over pressurize it, but as you turn that you'll hear a hissing noise and you'll start to see the pressure rising here. So you can see it's at 0.2 at the moment. That's slowly rising. We want to get that somewhere between 1 bar and 1.5 bar. We've got a bit of a mark on that display, but you can still see it says 0.7 bar at the minute. And it's coming up to about where we want it to be. There you go, 1.0. So let's get that safely above 1 bar. And when we're happy with where it is, so at the moment it's 1.1. Okay, so now it's at 1.2. So, okay, so the pressure's now reached where we want it to go and the boiler's turned itself on. So what we need to do is put those taps back into the closed position. So that one first, and then that one, and as you can see the boiler's now up and running again, and that's happy. If you're having problems and the boiler is losing pressure on a regular basis, you might have a problem. It could be the expansion vessel, or it could be a leak on the system somewhere. If you have issues where the pressure rises a lot, sometimes these 2 valves will not close off properly and pass water, and often you have to change those. If you're having any of those types of problems, give your local heating engineer a call. But that's going to get you going for now.